Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and tap on the settings. Now let's scroll and tap on biometrics and security, and here we have to scroll to the other security settings. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here in the credential storage section, we've got the clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. Let's click on OK if you're ready. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy M11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.